Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Did you know that faceless channels are quietly making over $15,000 a month just by posting peaceful Ghibli-style ASMR videos? No voiceovers, no expensive cameras, just pure cozy vibes. Just have a look to these channels. Their videos are currently getting millions of views and can generate significant monthly income, estimated $5,000 to $15,000. And also this one, estimated monthly income $1,000 to $4,000. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this viral success. I'll be sharing a master prompt that automates your storytelling and character design, and I'll show you how to use free AI tools like Claude and Grok to generate high-quality HD animations in minutes. If you want to build a relaxing channel that monetizes fast, let's get started.
Step 1. Using Claude AI for story ideas and script. First, go to Google and search for Claude AI. Click on the first website link. Then, click on Continue with Google, and then simply create your account. After this, you will see an interface like this. Now, copy this master prompt and paste it here. I'll provide you this master prompt in the video description, so check it out. Now, simply run this prompt. Once you run the prompt, Phase 1 will provide story ideas. You can see that it gave me several ideas, so review them and pick the one you like. I want to choose the 6th one, so I will simply type the number 6 in the chat. After selecting the idea, it will ask for specific directions. In Phase 2, you need to answer a few questions. Okay, so the first question is here. Who are the characters in the story? So below, you can see by default some answer you can select from them. Or from here, you can describe your own characters. So I'll select this one. The second question is, what's the visual style for their clothing and colors? So select anyone from the options, or you can describe by your own style. And the third question is, what is the session, weather, or time of day sets the mood? Answer this question, and here you can also specify the time duration of the video, like 4 or 6 minutes.
Okay, so here your video script is ready. And these are not just image prompts, these are specific video prompts meant for direct video generation. Step 2, convert text to videos. So to make videos, you can use Gemini Business. Click this website and enter your email, but it will give you only 30 days trial. So if you want, then go with Gemini Business. In this video, I am going to use Grok AI. Okay, so search for Grok AI, then click on this first website. After sign in, this interface will appear on your screen. Now go to Imagine, and here select Video, and from here select Aspect Ratio. I am making long video, so I'll select 16:9. Now go to Claude and copy your first scene, and paste it here, and hit the Run button. So your video generating is started. Then wait for a few seconds, and here is the final result. The result is quite amazing. Look at the quality. And from here, you can redo your video if in case you do not like the video. From here, simply download the video, and from here you can also upscale your video. Okay, we will try it later.
Now go back and copy your second scene prompt and simply paste it here and hit Run button. Wait for a while, and here is the result. Amazing! The quality is really good. Let's download it. So follow the same method and copy your third prompt and paste it here. And here is the result. Alright, now follow the same process, copy and paste your all prompts one by one, and generate all your video clips. Okay, here let's try the upscale option. In Grok Imagine, you don't need fancy software. Just hit the menu on your generated clip and select Upscale. It only takes about 10 seconds. Watch the progress bar. The AI is literally rebuilding the pixels and sharpening the edges in real time. Okay, if you notice, there is a clear difference between before and after. Step 3. Editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, here, import all your video clips. Then drag and drop the clips one by one on the timeline in a sequence. To make the video professional, we need transitions between clips. Go to Effects. If the effects is not showing here, then go to Window and select from there. Go to Video Transition, select Dissolve, and drag Dip to Black between two clips. This makes one scene fade to black before the next starts, looking very unique. You can adjust the duration as needed. So add this transition in all clips. The clips already come with natural background sounds generated by the AI, but if you need some extra background sounds, then you can also add them. Finally, your video is ready. Simply from here, export the video.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.